Hey guys, it's me Marley, and today I'm going to be doing a video, and oh my god, did my support just fell down. Well, as you can see by the title, I'm doing a Squishy King's Court, and I did take all of my squishies, and I will be doing a repackaged squishies, but I only have this to repackage them with, just some blind bags. So if you want to send me some blind bags, then that is fine. And like stuff to repackage the squishies. I'm gonna be doing Squishy King's Court. As you can see, well, you can't really see, I have all my, oh my god, can you guys see? Like, me, the coffee kitty. I'm not sure if you guys could see, but I'm just gonna show you. I have like Minnie the, Eskimo milk, Minnie the coffee kitty, Pom Pom parent in a cone, these really defective pancakes, this corn with the silver balls chain, this ice cream flampo, this cupcake, this Punimaro animal donut, and the KSI paint. I'm only doing it with a few, and then I have these ones that I'm doing it with. I have these ones, and if you could hear, I like to put them in here because they get so airy. Look. You guys need to hear that. Look. That was so airy, and I do keep them. But I'm going to take them out now because, you know, doing a Squishy King's Court, so I need to take them out of the blind bags. So, yeah, let's just get started. Closing my eyes. Okay. That feels good. Ooh, this is hard, kind of. This one smells like corn, and I like the scent of corn, like corn perfume, which is super squishy. But I did get this corn. It smells super good, and this is my favorite part about it, that it does that pop-up thing, and I think I already told you guys about that. Versus this KSI penguin. And I think I'm gonna have to go with the, no wait. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go with the corn, just because, you know, it's like more realistic to it. Smells way better. This doesn't smell like anything. It just smells like chemicals / sweet. This one smells way better than chemicals / sweet. Okay. I'm gonna put the losers back in their things. I'm gonna do it super duper fast so that this video could go fast. Go faster, my bone. Okay, I'm good. So that's the first squishy. I just keep it in here. Okay, so you're the winner. You're gonna go right here. Next one. I got this boy ice cream, and sorry if I did that cringy face. I know it looks so weird. Okay, then I got this little mini loaf, which has a doggy face on it. And I think I'm gonna have to go with this ice cream because I think it smells way better. It's way softer and it's way squishier, so yay, the winners. And this loser just goes back in its little airy bag. Like if I close this up, this would be so airy. But here it is, the loser. I won't my camera ever focus for once. Yeah. I'm gonna put these little guys right here. Ha! Okay. What did I see? I just went, aha! That was just weird, but whatever. Got these really defected pancakes. And they're super defected right there and right there. Sorry if I zoom in. I know you guys don't like it. I'm sorry. Just a little bit defected. Like right there. Yes. Like this. There we go. So yeah, I super like it. And there's like there used to be a ball chain here that was gold, blue. So I like the color blue. But I think I took it off and I lost it. Versus this pom-pom here in a cone. Just to let you know, this is just a little defected on right there. And I am going to be doing a video on January 23, but I'm going to do more videos before that because my package from Toys Box, what am I saying? Toys Box Shop squishies. And they only have like squishies that are $1, and I'm so happy that I ordered from there. So go check it out. Look it up on your phone. Let's just get back to the video. And I'm going to be doing a squishy video on that. So yeah, go check it out. It's on January 23rd, so. And I'm going to have to go with the pom-pom parent and cone, even though it's a little defected. I love the denseness, though. My favorite part about squishing squishies is that they're dense. Okay, it goes in the losers. It goes in its little thing. Real quick for you guys. Sorry if I did like this. You know what I mean? What am I saying? It's like I don't even know what I'm saying now. It's just embarrassing. Sorry, let's just... That scared me. You guys heard that air? Look, it's so eerie, look. Oh, I don't think it did it. Okay. That is so airy. That did like a little fart. Oh my god. Oh, it needs more air. Okay, keep going. Okay, I have, and if you guys know which licensing right there, Shopkins Squish Delish, you guys can't even see it probably. But let's move this stuff to here and put the camera right here so you guys can see. Yes. That's the licensing. Shopkins Squish Delish. And I do like Shopkins Squish Delish. And this is Series 3. I got this shark from Series 3. And go check out Smushy Mushies. They're also at Walmart for like $10. That's not a good price, maybe. I mean, to you guys, but in my opinion, that's like kind of expensive. Versus, ooh, right here, this cookie. Look at that. Spitting right here. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go with, I know this might be a wrong mistake, but I'm gonna have to go with the shark because super squishy and solarizing, and I think it's super cute. Winners, and I gotta go on faster. Okay, I did pick this one. Animal donut. Squish. And it doesn't have any licensing. Versus this melon bun. It's a melon pan, I think. Yeah, melon pan. That's the little grill. And I'm gonna have to go with the animal donut. So I have to hurry. There's only 3 more left. Oh my god. I have to hurry, guys. My video's running out of space. Okay. Whatever. Oh, this is kind of hard. Minnie the Coffee Kitty versus this Lele Cupcake. I think I'm gonna have to go with the Lele Cupcake just because it has like 1 tooth. Oh, but here's Minnie the Coffee Kitty. I know I didn't spend much time on her. Here it is. This one. Sorry if this video is coming so long. Just so nervous about everything. And the last one that gets a freebie is the Eskimo Milky. Okay, now I have to battle the winners versus winners. So let's just get started with this already. Okay, let's get started. Sorry if I was speaking, I was just kind of like... Got them? Okay, the shark. Stay, don't die. Oh, there's something on back of me. Animal donut. And I'm gonna have to go with the shark because, you know, super squishy and so rising. Ooh, the ice cream. Ooh, that's just a little paint chip, like chipping off. Here it is. Versus two pom pom Pirin. That's the face. It looks so cute and adorable. I don't know why I say that. And then look it's so cute and adorable, and I smushed the face all up. I think I'm gonna have to go with the pom pom Pirin just because like it's super cuter. Hopefully this works. You guys, like the lightning right here. So losers, winner. Winner. There's only 2 more left, so I have to pick 2. Okay, so I have the corn and this one. Oh my god, it's running out of battery. Okay, but whatever. I'm gonna have to go with I'm gonna have to go with this one. My favorite part about it is it has 1 tooth. It's like super cute, the face with the 1 tooth. So I have to put, and then this one also gets a freebie. Why is this one getting a freebie? Do I never really pick this one? Okay. Okay. I got this what? I got this shock and squish delish that. And then it's a shark. And then I got this pom pom Pirin. And a cone. And I think I'm gonna have to go with the paint is dripping off. That's why I don't like it. But it's gonna, oh shoot. I'm gonna have to go with the pom pom Pirin. And there's 2 more left. So this is losers and this is winners. I think I'm gonna have to go with Eskimo Milk. Oh wait, I didn't even say the names. This Lele Cupcake with the 1 tooth, which I really do like it. Like Purple Banana 25 says. Bucktooth. And then, oh my god. And then Eskimo Milky. I think I'm gonna have to go with the Eskimo Milky just because, like, I think this one's softer, you know, smells better, but, you know, I think just this one's super adorable with its cute face. So, yeah. This one wins. And there's only 2 more left. This one versus this one. And the pom pom Pirin and a cone versus this one. And I'm going to have to go with Eskimo Monkey. She is the winner of the Squishy King score. Thank you guys for watching, and bye!